Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and today I'm back with a haul video. As some of you might have known, I was participating in a June spending freeze, which based on this clearly didn't go well. I bought all this stuff in June, most of it on one day, and a couple things online, but we'll just go through it. I have stuff from Michael's and Joanns, and I might throw in some other things that I purchased along the way, but you know, I did spend less than I normally do. Probably about the same as I normally do. You know, it wasn't a great spending freeze month, but that's okay. I did not shop online too much. Most of this is in store, so whatever. We'll start with Joanns. I picked up the Cutter Bee scissors by EK Success Tools. They're just these scissors because I need better fussy cutting scissors. They're very pointy. They have a little cover. They were 40% off, and then I had a 20% off coupon. And to cut through my watercolor paper is pretty hard, so I really needed some better scissors that weren't as long to get in these detail spots. So I bought those. I bought this stuff online. These are the Simple Stories die cuts from the Say Cheese 3 collection, the bits and pieces. You can see them here. They're just the same color schemes as all the other ones, but these were on sale, and I had another coupon, and there's free shipping. And I also got the Nina cardstock paper that was on clearance or sale or whatever. I don't know if I got the right stuff, but this is what I got. Solar white 8.5 by 11, 250 sheets, super smooth, and I think it's 80 pounds. I think. I know it's not the 110 pounds, but let me know what you guys use this for. I plan on using it for some distressing backgrounds maybe. I know that zigs in watercolor do not work on it, but I did buy this. So we'll see how that goes. A good deal. Now moving on to Michael's. I bought my adhesive with my 50% off coupon because you always need more while I was there. I found this in the clearance section. It's an over-the-door paint organizer, but when we moved to our new apartment, I figured this would be fun and easy to use to store other stuff. And we also have a cabinet with doors, so I'm wondering if this will fit on it. I might have to shorten the straps or something, but I'm hoping it fits in that cabinet as well because that'd be really easy. And this is by the Artist Loft. It says 4 pieces, so I don't know. I think that's 3 straps in 1 container, but I didn't open it, so we'll see how that looks. Before I forget, I also bought this. This is just one of those $2 photo boxes, but it was so pretty. And it says Stop and Smell the Roses. So I bought that. My friend and I actually went shopping together, and we bought a bunch of stuff from the Recollections Coastal Village section. So all the paper pads from this collection were 60 cents because they were originally $6, but they're really, really beautiful, foiling and stuff. So I bought one for a giveaway. So if you'd like to enter to win this paper pad, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below with what your favorite thing that I purchased was. And then I'll pick a winner from one of the comments, so make sure you're subscribed and that you leave a comment about what your favorite item was, and then I'll send this paper pad to one of you guys. Details will be in the description box if you have any questions. I also bought the embossed paper pad, but there's only one of these, so I'll probably send a few sheets of this as well with the giveaway winner. Just super cute. So, 2 of those, all 60 cents. Great deals. Bought you guys one because I thought it'd be fun. I bought the stickers that go with this. I might send one of these sheets as well. These were originally $4.99, but I paid 60 cents, and they're really puffy stickers. They're a little bit harder than regular puffy stickers, but it's okay. These were on clearance. The Project Life 6 by 8 paper page protectors with 2 3x4 and 1 4x6, which is my favorite one to use, so I bought 2 of those with 12 in each, so that's 24. This was on clearance. It was $1.50 for this Sizzix set. It's a Little Mermaid stamp set with the matching die cuts, so that's a really great deal. Originally $15. Really excited to try that out. More from the Coastal collection. These are more stickers. I might send some of these too. These were also 60 cents. I'm not sure if I like clear stickers, so these might end up in the giveaway. And I also bought this stamp set, which I'm excited to try for 60 cents. It was originally $13, so you have a bunch of leaves. This leaf might be my favorite, and it also comes with a die. And then just some flowers there. Cute. I bought one of the $3 iris tubs. Not sure what I'm going to put in it, but I figured this would be good for some of the kits that I want to do. Again, $3, not too shabby for that. And then I did buy one of the $5 paper pads. This is called Peaceful Breeze. I think after this month I'm not allowed to buy any more paper, so I'm going to do a flip through for you guys. I love the color scheme. So pretty. This one's going to be so difficult to use, but still cute. This one's pretty. let's just say they're all pretty. And I love that there's wood grains in here because my fave. There's little dots, and there's also embossed and foiled pieces. So it's a mint green, yellow, pink, natural color scheme, and very floral. I'm sorry for that bag. That's probably really annoying, the sound. I have the fan on since we don't have AC here, and it's just so hot out this weekend, guys. Hope you guys are staying cool in your craft rooms or having fun out in the heat. Some more cut aparts. And this one's my favorite because you can cut them apart. So this was $5. So that's all from Michael's. I also picked up some items from the dollar store. I put these on my Instagram, but in case you missed it, I bought these washi tapes. This is from Dollar Tree, in case you're wondering. So this one's like pink, blue, yellow, and purple. And there's pineapples, bees, and unicorns. I will never use that, but that's okay. And then this one has the purple. They're kind of repetitive, so these will definitely end up in giveaways eventually. But I like some of the patterns, like this star one's cute and the stripe one's cute, and the little clouds, so cute. So those are from the dollar store. And then on Amazon, I think this was before June, but I didn't share it. I bought these. I needed stuff to put me over the $25 limit for some other things, so I bought the Color Box copper ink pad. This was on sale. I also bought some American Crafts Terror Tape adhesive, which you guys know I don't like to use, but I'm getting used to it, so we'll see how that goes. But that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave a comment with your favorite item that I purchased about to win this paper pad. So leave that down below and make sure you're subscribed, and I'll pick a winner soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!